Being a Medicare agency used to be such a disconnected way of doing business. You had to have an enrollment platform, you had to have lead sources, you had to have phone systems, and then tracking and building data, recording. Everything you needed to do was disjointed and broken into different pieces. Our pain points before EnrollHere, we didn't have a system or a process to anything that we did. And without EnrollHere building all of those pieces and then bringing it into one system, there was just no way to be successful. Just being able to track our dollar, we couldn't do any of that effectively at our size. Now, if you could afford to have an accountant, a financial advisor, somebody who tracks your data, mines your data, understands and interprets that data, so you gotta have a CFO, CIO. Then you also have to have several data analysts and data scientists to break down all of those numbers. One of the things I love about EnrollHere is I feel like it replaces so many jobs that we as agencies can't necessarily afford to pay for. So by paying a small fee, we have all of those things rolled into one system. EnrollHere has reduced our cost per acquisition by almost 50%. I need to say that again, because as an agency, everything you do, the margins are so slim in your initial stages. And it took a big financial commitment from us in the initial stages to go to EnrollHere. It paid us back in spades. When I say our CPA was cut in half using the EnrollHere system, I challenge any business owner to find any individual tool that does all of these things that can do anything near that. I mean, there's no way. Our cost per acquisition was cut by almost 50%. Our sales per agent is now over 2 per agent daily. EnrollHere has become our North Star because it really does continue to develop. Technology is moving very quickly, and no, there's no way I could stay up on it. There's no way 5 of us could stay up on it. I'm not a tech guy. Most Medicare agency guys are not. What this does is let you have a tech guy, and if I do have input, they're here to hear it. Being on this system actually adds to our bottom line. EnrollHere is literally everything we needed in order to be successful.